Solve for x. 3/8 x plus 1/5 minus 6/10 equals negative 10/25 plus 1/3 x minus 7/8 x. Let's find x. Rearrange the equation so that x is by itself on one side. Now let's simplify what we can. Keep rearranging the equation. Factor 6 into 2 times 3. Factor 10 into 2 times 5. Factor 25 into 5 times 5. Simplify again where possible. Factor 10 into 2 times 5. Factor 8 into 4 times 2. Let's simplify one more time. Collect the like terms together. Multiply by the second denominator to find a common denominator. Next, isolate x completely. And that's the solution to our problem.